To run DeepSeek locally, I'll start by opening my browser and searching for O. This tool allows me to run language models, LLMs, directly on my computer. I'll click download to get started, and while it's downloading, I'll head over to the models section. I'll locate DeepSeek R1 and click on it. From here, I can select which LL version I want to download. Bigger models offer better performance but are more demanding on your system. I'll go with the 7 billion parameter version. The website provides an installation command that I need. I'll then open the downloaded file to run the O installer. After installation is complete, I can remove the installer. You'll see that OL is now running in my system tray. Next, I'll open the Start menu and search for PowerShell. Don't worry, we'll go through this step by step. In PowerShell, I'll paste the installation command from the OL website and hit Enter. This will start downloading DeepSeek AI. It may take a bit, but once it's done, a message will show that it's ready to go. I can now start interacting with DeepSeek AI on my PC. When I hit Enter, it processes my request. This is one of the cool features of DeepSeek. It may take a while, but it eventually provides an answer. At this point, I realize the interface isn't quite what I wanted. I'm looking for something cleaner, like the ChatGPT interface, rather than this black box. No worries though. I can type to check available commands. To stop interacting, I just type slb, and I can easily restart it using the same command from OL. The response time might be slower on my computer compared to the website since their data center is faster. But it still works, and it's all running locally, which is great. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button below.